Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have my last order from Boxycharm's Mega Drop Shop from November. That sale ran pretty much the whole month, y'all. This was a daily deal. I got in right, you got to get in there on these daily deals quick. Anyway, this is what I got, y'all. This right here, $30. I have a base box. I have a premium box and I have a luxe box. And the value of these three boxes is $842.95. Yes, and I paid $30. I promise that's all I paid. I've had some naysayers about my $20 bundle and my $30 bundle. I have pictures for proof from their website, so I will share that with you. Okay, at the end, let's open the base box. Now, if you've noticed, the premium is sort of, it's not shiny. So I don't know if they were trying to do, you know, some recycled kind of boxes at one point. I think they might have. But this is a base box. It's very heavy. This is February 2021 base. So at that time, we might have still been paying $25 for this. So yes, on the $30 that I paid, I also paid $1.99 for that handling fee. So $31.99. So, all right, let's see what's in here. I have cut them all open. The base box has this beautiful fuchsia. I call that fuchsia pink in there. And let's see what we have. And I don't mind at all because I know there's going to be some repeats in here. But I'm just so excited to get this. They're in the base box for Boxy. It is now $27.99. And it is 5 full-size items, and you get to choose one. On the premium, you know, I don't know. I think I don't know, because I don't get the premium and I don't get the luxe. The premium is 6 or 7, maybe it's 7 items, and you choose maybe 2, I'm thinking. The luxe, I have no idea. The luxe comes out quarterly. I have gotten it one time ever in my life, and there was a lot of stuff in it, I will say that. So this is the card, and this is version 17. So this is 21, let's see, 21, yeah, 21, 210, what am I looking, I'm not, well anyway, base 7, number 17, that's my birth date. Anyway, okay, so this is what it looks like. Did I already show you that? All right, let's see what we've got. And let's see, this is, I remember this, EVO Beauty. This is a primer, and it's beautiful. I love that color is so pretty, and it's white on that, so it's hard to see. That is valued at $23. It says that it's the Pore Effect Primer, okay? Then we have this, and I know a few people like this, and I have had it before. I don't know that I ever used it. This is the brand Trestique. And this is that really nice mascara. There's also an eye pencil in here. This is valued at $44. It's the Eye Duo. And this, let's open it and I'll show you, because this mascara is a little bit different. See, there's your eye pencil. And then the mascara has this at the top, where you can flip down to curl. Okay, you curl your eyelash with this. Your eyelash, you know, but it doesn't get your whole eyelash in, so you have to do it in sections. But let's see if I remember. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay, you put your eyelash in there, and then you bring this up, and it curls your eyelash. And then it's also mascara. And I've heard from several friends that this was very nice. I don't think I ever used it. I think I passed it along to people. And some people just got it. Originally, when I got it, I think it was just the mascara, and some got it with the eye pencil as well. So that is very nice. And we have, this is a nice box, y'all, because there's a palette in here too. We have these Glamier, I'm not sure how to say that, this cute little pink package. These are those pretty brushes. This is valued at $29.95. They're super cute. It's really cute for Valentine's Day. It's stuck to the paper, so anyway, I'll take it out of the paper. Super cute bag, you know. And then inside, these are all wrapped up. So I have some of these, and I have given away some of these. But you see how these are, the handles? Can you see that? little hearts. I think they're little glitters moving around in there, and they're super cute little set. And I think I have a set that I'm using, and I've also given a set or two away because I ended up with this a couple of times. And it's a nice brush set. And then we have the Tula Skincare Probiotic Skin. This is so poreless, deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. So Tula Skincare is good stuff, y'all. And it looks like this inside. So that's for blackheads. And that is valued at, let me see, $32. And then we have this gorgeous palette. This is the Ace Beauté Nostalgia palette. And I have had this one a bunch of times. I have mostly given it away in gifts to people or giveaways. It's really beautiful, y'all. But I think it's, if I remember correctly, it's just got too much going on for me. Okay, so there's a mirror on one side. And it's really gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, bright, beautiful colors. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 shimmers. The rest are mattes. Very, very beautiful. You know, tropical looking to me. You know, like the picture. Beautiful, beautiful. So that palette is valued. Let me put the color saver back. That's valued at $38.99. So I did not add up separately each of these boxes what they are valued at. But remember, back in February 2021, it was probably $25. It might have been $27.99 by then. I'm not real sure. But still, if we paid $28 for this, look at the value. I mean, you know, all these added up is just a tremendous amount. So let's move on. I'm going to try to throw everything back in here real fast. Except it doesn't fit. How did they get this to fit? Because it doesn't fit now. Oops. Dropping things. Yeah, I can't get it to fit. Almost fit. Okay, let's move on. Well, smudge is on the next box. Let's try the premium. This is my smudge. Okay, sorry, smudge. He doesn't like to be moved around. All right, this is the premium box. Okay, let's see what's in. I have never bought the premium. I'm going to move the other down. I have received a premium a couple of times in the sales. So, all right, smudge. I think they were $35. So maybe they're $37.99 now. I really don't know. But let's see what's in here. All right, there's a card. This is their stuffing. There's a lot of stuff. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here, y'all. Let's see. There's some things that I've liked and wanted. So this is called the Winter Luxe. That's a beautiful card. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 items in here. Okay, I don't know why I didn't know there were that many. This is the June of 2021. And I'll just start taking stuff out. This is Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. And Aceology is excellent, y'all. This is a nice, like a metal tube detoxifying treatment mask. It's glow time, it says. I know I'm going to go through this sort of quickly. This is valued at $69. You know, Aceology is expensive stuff. Okay, smudge. And this is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body Resurfacing Serum with honey and prickly pear. So that's for your body. That's neat. I don't remember ever seeing this one. Let's see. Where is that? That is $40. It is a resurfacing body serum. That sounds nice. Then we have this beautiful, whoops, there's things falling out. This beautiful, the Satin Sleep Set. This is pretty. It's by Kitsch Beauty. I'm not going to open it up right now, y'all. It is a pillowcase, a standard pillowcase. It's satin. It has a satin eye mask and the satin scrunchie. So that's a beautiful gift set. You know, that would fit nice in somebody's stocking too. This is valued at $36. Very nice. There is now this I remember getting. This is that Persona eyeliner. It's in a package that you have to open, so I'm not going to open it. I don't know if I used it. It's a 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. I'm thinking I have used it because I had to open it to show y'all. And then, you know, what are you going to do with it? So this is valued at $14. And then this is a brush, Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Okay, there's a pomade that goes with this. Okay. This is the Dip Brow Pomade. I know a lot of people love Anastasia Beverly Hills for brows, right? So this is valued at $39. It's the dual-ended. This is a nice brush. There you've got an angled brush there, and then you've got your spoolie. And then this is in, let's see, it's a brown caramel. The pomade is in caramel. I love their packaging. It's so pretty. This is a nice glass jar, and there's the brown pomade. Very nice. I don't use this type of thing, so that will go into a giveaway for sure. But very, very nice product there. And something that I've been envious of other people getting is this LaRousse brush set. Something I've wanted. They have it for sale in the sales, but do I need this? No. So I haven't bought it. So I got it. How exciting is that? This is the Christine set, valued at $50, it says. This Christine set includes a dual, well, it tells you all the kind of brushes. This is gray. I'm sure it's plastic. It feels like rubber. It's interesting. And then it opens up. Well, I'm not sure how does it open up. Oh, just pull it. There we go. And then it's just a nice thing to hold your brushes. And it has these 5 brushes. It has, let's see, you've got your 3 eye brushes. And the LaRousse brushes, I've had them before. They are very nice. They have this nice handle. Let me open one of these bigger ones to show. There's an angled face brush and then a more flat. But let me show you the handle. It has these nice grips on it. I do have a brush or 2 from them that I probably got like in Ipsy Glam Bag. You know, when you get one brush, and it's nice to hold on to, and that's a real nice brush. So I'm excited to get these, y'all. This is something I've been wanting, and that is super cool. And then we have one more, well, we have a couple more items. I'll do these really fast, and then we will do another video for the other. This is the Pure brand. Fully charged mascara, powered by magnetic technology, $22. You know, I've never gotten the premium before, but if there's 8 products in there, that's a great deal. Even at, now it would be $38 plus $1.99, and I could be wrong about that though. But if it is, that's a great deal for 8 products. All right, this is complicated. Fully charged by Pure. I have used Pure mascara before. I don't recall using fully charged. Oh, this is one of those. It's magnetic technology. I think I've used the magnetic mascara, and I can't necessarily say anything fantastic about it. I mean, it's no different than any other mascara, in my opinion. It didn't seem to do any different for me. Some people, of course, I'm sure swear by it. And then we have the Kat Berkey brand Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. Essential Radiance. So that's a nice big jar. This is $116. Wow! This was a new brand to Boxy back in February of 2021. So this is a very valuable box, y'all. And this is funny. When you open it, look at that. It goes down, you know, what, an inch of emptiness. And there's the jar. Very beautiful jar still, but glass jar. I've seen this in Fab Fit Fun and things like that. Kat Berkey is not a product line that I have tried. I'm not saying I've never tried it, but it's not something that I would, you know, say, oh, that's my favorite, because I don't know. Oh, this is nice, though. It doesn't really have a scent. It's very rich and creamy. Putting that right back on. I have so many things going right now. I'm not going to open this yet. It will be something that I would keep for the future. Beautifully boxed, beautifully packaged. So again, I did not look at the pricing of each of these boxes. I do know the pricing of each of these boxes because I have it on the screenshot from when I bought it, which is going to be at the end of both of these, of part 1 and part 2, so that you can see that it was a true thing and I didn't make it up, y'all. Anyway, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Good to see you. Come back for part 2 tomorrow.